Welcome to your full body workout. You will need a workout surface, a set of dumbbells, and a resistance band. Start by placing the band above your knees. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 30 standing abductions. Come into a slight squat, so knees slightly bent, and you're going to abduct the knees out, working against that band throughout the reps. Try to keep constant tension while you're doing this, so try to perform all 30 reps at once. Rest in between your sets, and then repeat. Moving on to standing ChaCha. So you're going to be stepping back, alternating. You're going to be stepping back almost diagonally out, so you really feel that in the abductor. So that upper part of your glute, you really want to make sure you're feeling it there. Picture squeezing and clenching your glutes throughout this motion.
Took a look around at the scene, couple people here, all of a sudden you looking at me. They took out your phone, looked at your friends, tried to avoid eye contact, but it happened.
We're going to keep those glutes working, moving right into 3 sets of 30 lateral steps. Here you can see my knees are still slightly bent, and I'm keeping the tension throughout. So I'm working against the band the entire time. I'm never letting it lose the tension. You really want to feel the glutes working. Then come down for 3 sets of 10 combination bridges. So you're going to bring the hips up, abduct the knees out to complete run rep. So up, abduct out, that's 1. You're doing this 3 sets of 10. Remove the band. We're going to grab the set of dumbbells. This is a superset, so you're going to perform 10 of each and then move right on to the other. So you're going to start with 10 squat press. You'll perform all 10, trying to get those elbows all the way down to the knees, booty to the bucket. Really nice low squat here for 10 reps. Put the weights down, then you're going to do 10 reverse lunges on each leg. So I'm performing all 10 on my right side first. As soon as you're done with the right side, then you're going to do all 10 on the other side.
Yep, I love your rhythm, turn up your repetition and adrenaline dripping cause it's lit tonight. Up in the crib tonight, and they call me Kal-El, so you must be my kryptonite. She said, look, the truth is, I don't normally do this, then you just hit me with the...
Next superset, you're going to perform 10 curl press complex. You're going to curl, press straight up, keeping those elbows pinned into your side throughout for 10. Nice fluid motion, curl straight up to press. Then you're going to push the hips back, slight bend in the knee, bring the wrists together facing each other, and then extend straight back. So you're going to feel this pinch in the middle of your back, using the front part of your shoulders to work through the motion. I have a slight bend in my elbows so my arms aren't locked out. Don't lock through your elbows when you do this. Extend as far out as you can. If you need to get a lighter set of dumbbells for this, you can. Next up, we're doing Tabata drills. You're going to do 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 30 seconds of mountain climbers as fast as you can, as many reps as you can get. Rest for 10 seconds and repeat the sequence 3 times. Then move on to 3 sets of 10 bird dogs. You're going to do all 10 bird dogs on one side. Then you're going to complete 10 bird dogs on the other side and repeat that 3 times. Make sure you're fully extending all the way out as if you're reaching for something in front of you. Full extension out with the leg with every rep. Picture drawing that belly button up and into your spine throughout. Don't let the tummy hang soft. Moving on to shelf pass over. So here it's like I'm placing the weight onto my shins and then extending back over my head with a straight arm. So keep that slight bend in your leg, tummy tight throughout. You can actually set down the weight on your legs, or you can just kind of place it as you go. Draw that belly button back and in throughout. You're doing this for 3 sets of 10 reps. Next move shown are overhead sit-ups. You're starting with the weight at your chest and you're pressing, raising your arms straight above your head to where the inside of your bicep could touch your ears, straight up above your head with every rep. Keep your neck nice and neutral. Don't try not to hold tension in your neck as you perform these. Stay planted in the heels. Press all the way up above your head with every rep. Last up, we're doing abs. You're doing 10 of each. You're going to repeat this according to your level, starting with 10 scissor kicks, nice wide kicks, straight legs, pointed toes. Moving on to diver abs, arms go all the way back above your head, reach and tap those toes. and then lying legless for 10, straight legs, pointed toes, coming all the way down to where you could almost touch the ground. You crushed it. Make sure you are liked and subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any workouts or fun fitness tips with ChaCha.